Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here to tell you about September 28th at 6:30 Central Standard Time. It's a pop-up sale. Every dime made will go to Kathie'S World to cover shipping costs for bingo prizes. Okay, this is some of the stuff that I've been packaging up, thinking that maybe somebody would like it. Like $5. I have 25 greeting cards, note cards, brand new. I threw some patterns in there just because. Stickers that, some pages don't even have any off. Okay. But also, and you never know what I'll have made in between from now till then either. I already got something on my desk I'm going to make. Alright. Put that right there. I have my bin full of all the Halloween stuff that I made. I lowered the prices. You can see. Everything in here, also, anything from sold here will also go to Kathie. So, I hope to see you guys because she does a lot for our crafting community. I mean, she hosts the bingo. And I can't even imagine what the cost of shipping bingo prizes are for her. So I was sitting here thinking as I was going through stuff the other day, I'm thinking, you know what? My next sale, which would have been this, I was giving Kathie the money. So if you really want to support Kathie and want a little something in between, you will still have to cover the shipping cost and everything. It's going to be only a USA sale. You can help that way, or just go over to Kathie's World, and I will have her channel down there and get a hold of Kathie if you would like to contribute. But I'm just letting you know the upcoming sale I have on September 28th at 6:30 Central Standard Time. Every dime I make will go to Kathie's World for cover shipping costs for bingo prizes, everybody. So I hope to see you there. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.